PBBM, using the name of PBBM, not PBBM himself, but yun. So how siguro Attorney Rona, SEC warns against a group using PBBM's name. How is this?
Yeah.
How can we avoid this, Attorney Rona?
So, BBMII stands for Bagong Bansang Maharlika International Inc. This
Yun.
is registered with SEC. It's a non-stock corporation registered with SEC. Its principal office is in Bataan, in Luzon. And
Mm.
its registration has already been revoked. Matagal na, way
Wow.
back November 2023. What they do is they will ask members, its members, 100 peso. Malit na bagay.
Mm.
But if you put that
Yes.
all together, malaki yun. And they will promise you lifetime assistance, free education,
Mm.